Hey everyone, my name is Gautam and I'm back with another exciting video. But I'm a little bit sad today. I know a lot of you might not be interested in knowing what's happened, but I'll tell you anyways, because it's said the more you share, the more it lightens your pain. So finally, after 2 years, I planned my dream vacation with my family to Mumbai. I booked all my flight tickets, hotel bookings, and the most important part, I checked the weather report as well. And this is what they said. Hello everyone, my name is Manoj Kumar and welcome to Parso Tak News channel. It's 5 PM now and it's time for the weather report. The weather in Mumbai is 25 degrees Celsius. It's super pleasant and it's the best time of year to visit with your family. You won't regret it. Trust me. See, this is what they said about Mumbai, and this is how Mumbai looked when we reached our hotels. It was raining completely. It's like nature and these news channels pranked me together. I felt so disheartened that I planned to abandon these news channels. But at the same time, I'm a maker as well, and I got an idea. How about I build my own weather reporting system that would give you the updates in real time for all the major Indian cities? Sounds interesting, right? Let's check it out. Alright guys, so this is my weather reporting system and all I have to do is just run this piece of code. So as soon as I run it, it says... Okay, so I think, it's trying to still process it. Welcome to the weather news. City Delhi, temperature 22.05 degrees Celsius, humidity 37%, pressure. Weather is haze, wind speed is 1.54 meter per second, visibility is 4500 meters, sunrise and sunset time as well. And same goes for Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Jaipur and Lucknow, and the next update would be in 8 hours. So this is my weather reporting system guys, which gives you the data for all the major Indian cities. Exciting, right? And I'm pretty sure that you guys are wondering how did I build this project. So why don't you and I take a walk through my making journey? Let's go. So I got the inspiration to build my own weather reporting system because of an unsuccessful vacation, but that's not the complete story. I'm pretty sure that at some point in your life, you might have also experienced the same. You're planning something, thinking it's a beautiful sunny day, you wear your sunglasses like actors, you go out, and it started raining suddenly, or your plans are now cancelled. So I started figuring out the key elements which were required to make this weather reporting system successful, and the primary element was to figure out a platform that could provide you real-time weather data. So I did a little bit of research and I found a beautiful platform on the internet which is Open Weather Maps, which has all the real-time data and it could be provided to you through an API. The second main task was to write a Python code which would do the following things. Call the Open Weather Map API and fetch the data from it, format the final data in a human-readable format, and finally provide you with the automatic updates in every 1 hour or 2 hour or as per your need. So I needed a platform where I could do all these things very easily, and I chose the one-stop programming solution, the Avishkaar simulator. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's start by signing in with the platform. So for that, you have to open your web browser and write www.avishkaar.cc. Let's hit enter. So now I can see that I'm already signed in with the platform. So let me just quickly log out. Let me click on the sign in button again and I'll enter my phone number. Let me click on login with OTP and let's see if I've got an OTP or not. Alright, so here it is, 792664. Let me click on the verify button and we have successfully signed in with the platform. It's time to go to the simulator, and for that you have to click on the AMS button which is on the top right corner. Let's click on the Python mode. Let's click on Python again. And here we are in the simulator. Alright guys, so next I'll be opening the weather project. Let me double click here. I've already written the code, but don't worry about it because I'll be sharing the link to this project in the description of this video. Let's go over through this code together. So basically we have imported 4 modules: request, time, date time and URLib3. So request module is used to make an API call to the Open Weather Map platform. The time module makes sure that you get automatic updates. The date time module gets you the real date in the platform, and the URLib3 module is used to suppress the warning. The most important part of this code is the API key, guys, which we'll be getting from the Open Weather Map API platform when we'll sign up there. Next, these are the state capitals for which we'll be seeing the data: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, and Jaipur and Lucknow. Next, we have written the fetch weather function, which takes city as an argument, makes the call to this API, which actually takes the city and API key as an argument and returns the data. And if we have the data, look guys, these are the things that we are fetching from it. We are fetching temperature, country, humidity, pressure, weather, wind speed, visibility, sunrise and sunset for each city. That's a lot of data. Next, this is one of the most important function, guys, which is the format weather info, which actually formats the data that would help us to see it in a much more readable format. So once we have the data, it would be formatted properly and we'll see temperature, humidity, pressure, weather, wind speed, visibility, sunrise and sunset for each and every city. Next, this is the display weather function, which would be iterating in the state capitals, and it would be passing each city to this fetch weather function so that we can get the information for the corresponding city. Next, this is the main function, and here we have a loop and we are simply calling the display function, and we have simply written that the next update is in 8 hours, and that is why we have used the time.sleep function. This makes sure that the program is paused for 8 hours and the next update would be after 8 hours. So let's see the program execution in action. Let me run this. Alright guys, so you can see that welcome to weather news, but there is an error. What's the error? Error fetching weather for Delhi. Oh, so basically we are not able to make a proper API call to the platform. What's the reason? So as I said, we need the API key, and let's jump into the second main task to see how we can get that key. Alright guys, to get an API key, all you have to do is click on this plus button, which will open a new tab. Let's go to Open Weather Map API platform and let's click on this first link, which is openweathermap.org. Okay, so we have opened this platform, but okay, like every other platform, you have to sign in with the platform, and the process is very straightforward. So let me click on this sign in button, and if you already have an account, you can enter your credentials here, and if not, you can actually click here, create a new account, and it's a pretty straightforward process, but for now I'll be skipping it because I already have an account. So let me just click on this enter email and I'll enter my credentials. Let me click on this submit button. So now once you have signed in successfully, to get an API key, all you have to do is just click on your profile, my API keys, and there will be a default API key which is already generated for you. So all you have to do is just click on this, is to double click here, copy this API key, go to your Avishkaar Maker Studio and paste the API key here. So now we are all set, and let's see the program execution in action. Let me run this. And here we have the beautiful output. Welcome to the weather news. City Delhi, temperature is 23.05 degrees Celsius, humidity is 35%, pressure is 1012 Pascal, weather is haze, wind speed, visibility, sunrise and sunset, and the details are for Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Jaipur, Lucknow. Next update is in 8 hours. Okay, so basically I have changed the time to 5 seconds. So it's gonna give you update after every 5 seconds, but if you want to do it for like an hour, you can write 60 *60. So it's gonna give you an update in after an hour. Amazing, right? So makers, it was one hell of a journey, but it came with its own challenges. So let me walk you through some important challenges that came when I was making this project. So the first challenge was handling API requests. So whenever you are making an API call to another platform, it's a very good practice to do that in try except block, which ensures that if there is an error, your script won't crash. The second challenge was of SSL certificate challenge, which I was getting again and again, and it was completely freaking me out, and I resolved that by importing the URL lib module, which eventually helped me to suppress that warning. The third challenge was to figure out how to get the automatic weather updates, and for that we implemented a very simple solution. All we did was use the sleep function from time module, and we gave the multiplier as 8 star 60 star 60, which would wait the program for 8 hours. You can reduce this number as per your convenience. So challenge number 4 was to make sure that the data is presented in such a way that it's human readable, and formatting was the most important part. So you should really take a deep look at the format weather function to see how we structured the final output. So that's how I built my own weather reporting system using Python in Avishkaar Simulator. But that's not the end. I want to give you a challenge. Can you add a feature which would help you to fetch the weather for your own city? Or maybe you can try adding a feature that would help you to fetch the weather updates for the entire week. Sounds interesting, right? And if you have any other ideas, drop it in the comment box. With that said, wish you guys all the very best. See you in the next video. Bye.